For your next on-site heat treatment need, check out Superheat's MagneMat. MagneMat is a reinvention of the traditional heat treatment pad that utilizes magnetic integration to save you significant time and money. We know how important efficiency is to your schedule, and that doing more with less is paramount to your success. We've invested significant research and development into our MagneMat technology, forever changing traditional installation methods of flexible ceramic heating pads. The MagneMat solution can be applied to weld overlays, large vessels, seam weld breakouts, and many more preheat applications. You'll see up to a 70% reduction in the setup and teardown schedule, a seamless transition from bake-out to preheat, zero lost time to pin installation, removal, and inspection, and above all, you'll be receiving industry-leading heat distribution control per zone. Better, safer, faster. MagneMat optimizes efficiency and reduces cost. Superheat, advancing heat treatment for the digital marketplace. Contact us today to see how our MagneMat offering can ensure success on your next project.